Growing low-maintenance vegetables. Beans are one of the most prolific vegetables you can have in your garden. Pole beans, in particular, keep going from midsummer until frost. All you need is a packet of seeds and something for them to grow on. It's easy to grow tomatoes but more difficult to keep them healthy. Tomatoes are prone to a miscellany of fungal diseases that set in as soon as the weather heats up and becomes humid. The low-maintenance choice for tomatoes would be hybrid cherry tomatoes. Hybrids generally have better disease resistance than open-pollinated plants, and many varieties have been bred to grow more vigorously and yield more fruits. It doesn't get much easier than this. Dig a hole. Plop in a garlic clove, regular-sized or elephant. Cover. Come back next summer. Dig. Enjoy. Members of this group of vegetables are a bit ragtag. They aren't all green. Some are eaten fresh, others cooked, and some can be used either way. Some, like beet greens, do double duty. All of this versatility, and the only real care they need is regular water. Tiny hot peppers are much easier to grow than their larger sweet cousins. Each plant will set a sizable harvest. You can harvest at any stage, from green to screaming orange, so even if you forget to harvest for a month or so, your peppers will only get better and hotter. In fact, a top recommendation for growing hot peppers is to neglect them. Be stingy with the water but generous with the heat and sunshine. Many herb plants are ridiculously easy to grow, and the more you snip and eat them, the fuller they grow. Plus, the oils that give them their flavor and aroma are more concentrated if you go easy on the water. Who can't do that, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.